hasta que amanezca el pobre aquí no se acaba.
Quiero andar como pezón en pleno sexo, bien mamao, mamá te becerro, la calor está bien gacha, las virongas bien heladas, creo que
This is an RGB LED light bar. It's multi-color changing. Comes with all the wires that you need. Instructions. Go ahead and start installing all this stuff. See how it turns out. So I got the HD grill off. I will be mounting it, like I said, at the lower piece of the grill. It should be that right here. That area right there. Alright, got all 3 bolts removed. This should slide right off. Just like that. I am going to put these bolts back on because this is for the bow tie. Alright guys, I got the dash bezel off, but change of plans, I don't think that's gonna work out. This piece right here, it's like a real brittle plastic. Try to fit this piece right in there. This is the on and off switch. I mean, I don't smoke, so I don't really need it. Hopefully I get lucky. So I'm just gonna take this off right here. It should work, so let me try to figure out how to snap it off. Alright, so I got the piece off. Now I just need to try to fit this switch on. Just remember where the wires go. It's on the on position, so it starts with the yellow, middle red, and the last one's black. Alright, I got everything plugged in already for the switch. That's how it looks. Not bad. I wish this would tuck in real nice, but that'll do. Okay, everything's in place. I got my USB right here. I got the on and off switch already in place. Doesn't look too bad. Alright, so I ran the wires. I don't know if you guys can see that right there. Ran it through here. The only thing left I gotta do is just connect the negative and the power, and then mount this relay somewhere, and that's it. Alright guys, so I decided to put the color changing switch right here. I drilled out a hole, this bad boy right here, and it fits perfect right there. I'm gonna put fasteners so it doesn't slide out or whatever. And that's the final step, guys. It's already powered up. It's gonna put the switch connected, tuck in the wire, and you guys can see the final product. Everything's wired up, tucked in, zip tied, the excess wire. The reason I went with the curved light bar, I don't know if you guys can see the curve right there. This is a 32-inch light bar, guys. I haven't seen a lot of videos of them trying to fit a 32-inch light bar behind the grill. So I decided to make this video. Auxbeam, another Auxbeam sponsorship. Looks pretty clean. Looks good. I'm satisfied. It's tight. I use self-tapping screws. This thing ain't going anywhere. I'm gonna grind this off. Alright, guys, I'm finally done installing the curved 32-inch RGB light bar by Auxbeam. And like I mentioned before, everything can be controlled through the app. I'm gonna go ahead and turn it on right now for you guys. On, off. That's like a multi-color changing feature for you guys. You can also go to breathe, and it'll slowly change. You can adjust everything right here from the phone. Go back to white. That's like a low dim. You can pick it up brighter or go as bright as you want. Everything controlled by the app. You don't necessarily need the app. Everything can be controlled from inside of the truck as well with the button. It's got the on and off button inside of the truck, and it's got also that other switch that controls the colors. It won't let you dim it from the inside. That's why it's cool to have this application, and it's free to download. You can go to color settings, and you can choose any color you want. Of course, it's daylight right now. It's like 4 in the afternoon, so can't wait for it to get dark and show you guys how it looks at night. I've never had one of these before. I've had light bars before in my 2000 K2500 Silverado crew cab, but I've never had a multi-changing color, especially one that can be controlled with an app. It's just cool to have, you know. It's not really my style. I wouldn't bring this type of stuff to like a car show or anything like that. Just to mess around, you know, go to a cookout or something, turn on your lights. It's just cool to have. This is the app that I was telling you guys that can control the light bar. There's nobody inside, so I want to show you guys real quick. There's no funny business behind that. There's nobody in here. Alright, so this is the app. So it's got the on and off feature. See, that's on. Look how bright that shit is. It's got the mode. This is so you can dim. Kind of mess with the settings the way you like it. Exposure. I've seen this a lot like in car shows and stuff. And then of course you got the breathe. And you can also move the percentage of how slow you want it to be, or fast. If you go back, you can go to the color. The circle right here with the colors, you just tap it and it'll turn to that color. Green, got the yellow, got the red, the brightness. Me personally, I like just the plain